you ever designed something in Canva and thought it looked good, but somehow it still didn't look professional? The truth is, most beginner makes the same design mistake. Today I'm going to show you 5 Canva mistakes that instantly make your design look amateur and how to fix them. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I share Canva tutorials, design tips and content creations that helps beginners to create professionals looking design. Now let's check all these mistakes. The mistake number 1 is using too many fonts. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using too many fonts in one design. When you are trying to use 3, 4, 5 or 6 different fonts on one design, it will make your design look good. It will make your design look great. At least 2 fonts maximum. At least 2 fonts maximum. Like this design, you can see different fonts being used on this design, unlike this one. Unlike this one, that at least 2 maximum fonts, 1 font for heading and the 1 font for the body text. This one make your design looks great. The mistake number 2, poor color choices. Poor color choices. When you choose too many colors, just because Canva gives you millions of colors doesn't mean you should use all of them. You don't have to use all the colors in your design. You don't have to join together different many colors of your design, because it won't make your design look great. Everything will be jam packed on your design. Use only 2 primary colors and 1 accent colors. 2 primary colors and 1 accent color. This makes design cleaner. Mistake number 3, we have the crowded layout. When you're trying to put all the resources, all the elements on your design, many beginners try to put everything on one flyer. We have too much text, too many elements. Make sure that when you are designing, you leave a breathing space. Let's check the design again. We can see all this white space in between. It leaves a breathing space in between each element used on this catering services flyer. The mistake number 4, when you are ignoring alignment. Let's go back to this birthday design. When you are ignoring alignment, make sure that your design are aligned together. If your elements they don't align together, your design instantly look messy. When you are designing, make sure you use the position tools, you use the guide, and alignment create professionalism. The alignment create professional. You can see from catering service to bringing joy to every bite. So there is a straight alignment from the heading to the call to actions on the design. Not that catering service on the left side and the bringing is on the right side like this, making the wrong align. Make sure everything align together. And the last mistake is low quality images. Low quality images. When you have your image, make sure that you refine that image. You refine that image before you use it on your design. You use high resolution images, and if you want to use any element, you can always use the Canva stock photos to add to your design. Or if any images you are using from outside Canva, make sure you refine them. You escape the images before you use it on your design. Not a blurry images to use on your design. And always zoom in. Always zoom in to check the quality of your images, of any resources that you are using on your design. And before exporting any design, ask yourself, does this design look clean and easy to understand? If not, try and simplify the design. At least your design should be able to engage the audience, able to pass the message immediately to the audience that you are showing the flyer to. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, because I post Canva tutorials every 2 days. And comment below which of these mistakes have you been making before. Let's see your comments. Thank you.